Welcome to Sigzen ERP. In this video, you will learn how to create bulk update in ERPNext. The bulk update feature allows users to update multiple records simultaneously across different modules within the system. This is particularly useful when you need to apply the exact change to a large number of records, such as updating the status of several sales orders, changing the prices of multiple items, or updating contact information in various customer records. Go to the Bulk Update tool by searching Bulk Update in the Awesome bar. Set the document type, field, update value, and condition. Click on Save and then click on Update. Now, go to the account list by searching Account List in the Awesome bar. Now, click on the Filters button. Set the field list and click on Apply Filters. Congratulations, you have completed the bulk update in ERPNext.